In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to videos in After Effects. To begin, move over to your type tool under your toolbar section and press down and hold it. You can either select a horizontal type tool or the vertical type tool. I'm going to select the horizontal type tool, and now I can type a text on my screen. To edit the properties of the text, you can go over to the character tab over here. If you don't see this, simply go over to Window and ensure that the character tab is checked. Now if you select the character tab and you highlight your text, you can change the font type. So for example, I'm going to change this to Dubai, and you can also change it from light to bold or medium or whatever you prefer. You can also change the color of text by clicking on the picker box, and you can change the color of your text to something else. I'm going to select red. And to add stroke, you can select the stroke box over here, and you can increase or reduce the value of the stroke over here by changing this value over here. You can increase the size of your text by increasing this text property over here. And if I scroll down, you can use these letters to change the font style from bold to italics and the other options we have over here. This property is used to adjust the text vertically, while this is used to adjust the horizontal spacing, similar to this other property over here. Another thing you can do is to select the paragraph tab over here, and you can align this to the left, or align this to the right, or align to the center. Once you are done adding your text, you will notice that After Effects has added a text layer to your composition. You can click and drag this text layer to wherever you want. You can also come over to the edge over here and trim this text layer to whatever position you want. And you can also trim the end to the duration you prefer. Also, you can go over to the Tool tab and select the Selection tool. And now you can select your text and drag it to any position you prefer. Thank you, and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.